this type of graphs. And also you can change this one. Also, you want to reduce the length, yeah, you can reduce, or you can, if you want, you can increase. Here also, so like that, you can adjust this graph. Just I am giving only some idea only. Okay, so this is most of the researchers using this Origin software for the results section. Okay, and I will also show how to use Python programming. Okay, next. Next, how to write the conclusion of the research paper. In the conclusion, you have to write the main summary points, summary findings, and also you have to mention the what you are contributed in your study, and also you have to mention the limitations and the recommendations for the future research of the other researchers. You have to mention in conclusion section. And next one, this is about the graphical abstract. If you observe this figure, most of the others preferred like this graphical abstract. This is a normal abstract. This is a normal abstract. Okay, so they will attract more for the graphical abstract and they can enhance very easily. Okay, this is a sample graphical abstract. So you can use the draw IO as I told you yesterday. You can use this type of tools, bit draw IO. Okay, then what about communication research papers? So as I told earlier, you have to identify the target journal. Based on that only, you have to modify the novelty statement. Okay. Then key factors for selecting the best journal. Before choosing any journal, you have to see some points. First one, you have to see the scope and audience, scope of the journal. Then reputation and quality of the journal, high quality, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Like that, you are having different quartiles. Q1 means high quality journal. So like that, you have to see the quartiles and impact metrics like impact factor, H index, site score. These are very, very important. Okay, so like that, you have to based on the impact factor, high quality journals, you have to refer. Then you will get the more citations. If you publish it in the high quality journal, you will get the more citations and your H index will increase. I will tell in next slides what is H index. Okay, and indexing and visibility, whether it is Scopus indexing, you have to check like Scopus, Web of Science. Then publication speed, some journals take minimum 3 months, some are take 4 months, some 6 months, some are taken 1 year. So you have to check before publishing. Then policies, other guidelines, okay, copyright terms. If you are taking any image, some standard images, if you take any images from the journals, you have to take the permissions from those journals before the and after mm, once after the acceptance of your journal, then while submitting final copy, you have to take the permission. And cost, you have to check the cost. APC. APC means article processing charge. Some journals charge the amount. Okay. So you can go through the open access for the free access. Then past issues. You have to check whether the journals are having any issues in the past. Okay, and you have to avoid the predatory journals or fraud journals. You have to check in the Scopus database. Okay, then you have to go through those journals, and also you can ask your seniors or supervisors. You can take the recommendation from those persons. Okay, describe your PhD with a movie title. So never-ending story. Okay, right. Next, see these are the journal abstracting and indexing. These are the Google Scholar, Scopus, Emerging ESCI. Emerging Source Citation Index, and SCI, Science Citation Index, SCI, and SCI is the Science Citation Index expanded. Yeah, Scopus, ESA is better than the Scopus, SA is better than ESA, and SA is better than the SA journal. So SA is the high quality journal. Similarly, Web of Science, these are ABCD journals. Okay. Then journal publishers. Journal publishers. See, elsewhere, high quality. Then IEEE, Springer, ASME journals, mechanical engineers, and ASC principal engineers, Sage, Springer, Taylor, Francis, Ely, and Anderson. These are the high quality journals. Okay. Then rating of journals. So there are some factors in the most of the colleges. If you go to any interview, they will ask, what is your H index, how many citations you have, like that they will ask. Okay, here impact factor, site score, and H index. So I-10 index and quartiles you 1, 2, 3, 4. At least 10 citations. If you publish one paper, if you got 10 citations per one paper, your index will be, I-10 will be 1. Like that, if you publish two papers, each one should have 10 and 10. So if you each paper got to 10 citations, then your I-10 will be 2. Coming to H index, if your H index is 5, it means 5 of your papers have been cited at least 5 times each. So every paper should be minimum 5 citations. Let us take one example. See, are you following? Anyone respond, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you, thank you. See here, let us take 10 articles, and these are the different citations. For example, article 1 got 85 citations, article 2 72, index, what is anyone? H index.
Eight,
H index means if you, pardon, sir?
eight.
88, exactly, sir, exactly. Okay, what about I-10 index? I-10 index. Anyone respond, please. I-10 index. క్లాస్ తర్వాత టీ
Six.
తర్వాత క్లాస్ హలో ఎస్ వాట్ సార్ ఎస్ లెట్ us see one by one. Yes, H index is 8. Here you have to check each paper. So one already crossed, minimum 1, 2, minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here the minimum number is 8. Okay, if you go for 9, if 9 also having 9 citations, your index will be 9. But here the last minimum is 8. So up to 8 journals. So each are having minimum 8 citations. So your H index will be 8. So like that you have to calculate. Coming to I-10 index, you see first 6 papers. This is having minimum 10, 10. So up to 6, first 6 papers having minimum 10 citations. So I-10 index will be 6. So like that you have to calculate for our articles. Is it clear? Right, right. Thank you, sir. So like that you have to calculate the H index and I-10 index. Right. Then how to find or how to choose a journal. So after completion of your entire manuscript, now we are going to submit. But for what journal you have to send our manuscript? So this is your question. Then there is a one software that is a journal finder website, journal finder. So in the journal finder, you can usually check. Let us see in the, you can see in the Google. Just wait. Journal finder. Yes. Journal finder. Just so just to yeah match with abstract and match with the keywords. So you can take any one paper. Let us take one paper. This is my paper. Suppose after completion of your manuscript, so after completion of your abstract, just copy the abstract and then search here and find journals. So it will show the different papers, different journals related to our abstract. See, fuel journal, thermal science, Indian Chemical Society, energy storage, environment research, chemical engineering. So like that, it is showing different journals. Okay, okay. Here also there are two options: journal that offer gold OA and journals with subscription. Here also you can avoid subscription means OA means open access. Open access means you have to pay APC. General charges you have to pay in the OA, open access. I don't want open access. I want only subscription. Then you have to choose this option. Fuel. Here 7.5 impact factor. This is side score. This is the time to first decision. Minimum they will wait. We have to wait for minimum 18 days for the first response. And time to acceptance. So minimum they will take 3 months. So this is one more journal. This is impact factor. They will take minimum 1 week, but for the acceptance they will take 100 days around. So they will take 105 days. So minimum response you have to wait 38 days, 81 days. So like that you have to see and you have to check the impact factor of the journal and minimum waiting time and maximum time and acceptance rate. So like that you have to choose the required journal with the help of the journal finder. Okay. So similar to journal finder, this is belong to elsewhere, and similar to press Springer also, and Willy journal finder. This is Willy journals, and for Taylor and France also journal suggestor. So for different platforms, different finders are there. Okay, you can choose the required journal. So if you see this journal, impact factor 9.9 and time to postage 1 day. Within 1 day, they will tell. They will say the whether they are accepting or not. They are taking the so they are sending to review or not. They will send. They will tell immediately within 1 day. You have written an excellent paper, but your submission is rejected because it doesn't align with the scope of your chosen journal. How would you identify a better fit journal and refine your manuscript for successful publication? Okay, even though we ask the same question, it will give some suggestions. ChatGPT will give some suggestions. Next. Okay, right. What to do, what not to do. So before submitting journal, what to do and what not to do. If you observe these persons, all are one person, same person with different backups. Okay, same person with different hairstyles. Okay, so similarly, you can't do and you can't send one journal with a different small modifications. Don't send to number of journals. So that's not a good practice. So you have to what to do. You have to well organize your thinking, give enough and clear explanation. So assume you are a reader. First, you have to read your entire document before submitting. As a reader, First, you have to understand whether it is easy to understand to remaining participants, remaining researchers. So like that, first you have to read, then only you will get some idea. So like that, you have to write the journal. You have to use simple and plain English. Okay. Don't write, and if there is nothing to write, don't hide technical details. Don't make a simple problem complicated to fool the people. Right? Submit to only one journal. Then, how the journal websites looks. You see, so International Journal of Hydrogen Energy, how it looks like. Initially, after your registration, you have to log in through with help of your username and password. Then it will be looks like this. So here you have to click the browse option. Then initially you have to upload the manuscript. Then once you upload the manuscript, actually first step after login, you have to click on submit a new manuscript. You have to click on submit new manuscript. Then it will be open like this. Then you have to upload your document, first document browse. Then it will show different options like cover page, graphical abstract, highlights. So like that you have to upload one by one. Then you have to click the next button. Then again some journals will take directly once you upload the manuscript, they will take directly like title, abstract, they will take directly. But some journals may not take. Then you have to again copy and paste here in this browser. Then full title, abstract, keyword, and others information. Others information with their contributions like review and editing, supervision, form analysis, software. So like that, different roles are there. So what is your contribution? Like that, you have to write in this others contribution. And with the others application also, you have to upload others applications and funding information. Okay. Then after completion, you have to click on the build PDF for approval. Build PDF for approval. You have to click on build PDF approval. Then your manuscript, your cover letter, your highlights, your graph level, all will combine into one single PDF. Then it will show it will then you can download your PDF. తర్వాత ఇస్తారు. So after downloading the PDF, again you have to check whether it is good or not. Is there any mistakes? So after checking, after confirmation, then you have to accept the submission. Okay, so like that you have to submit the manuscript. Yes. What happens after submission? You will receive immediately one mail. Dear author, we received your manuscript. Not only for one author, all four or five or six others, all are received mails. You have received the your article from your corresponding author. They will send the who is corresponding author. So like that, they will send the mails to all the others. Then you can see sometimes without their permission, they can add their names. Then you can send a mail to the editor. They will reject immediately. Okay, so like that they will. Then after submission of manuscript, there are editor, associate editor, editor in charge, editor in chief, associate editor, editor in chief, and reviewers. They always try to cut our manuscript. Always try to. See, they are ready to cut our manuscript. That means if it is good, the manuscript is good, they will give some comments, some suggestions. Then if you after then if you respond their comments properly, then they will suggest to the editor or associate editor. Sometimes if editor is not there, associated will take care, editor in chief will take care. They will take care. They will send to the, they will have communication with the corresponding other. Okay, like that the process is there. Process is there. Next, after you submit the reference process, reviewing process, reviewing process. Actually, your paper before and after peer review, before and after peer review, just for fun. Okay, so selection criteria, they will see the knowledge, expertise, and specific recommendations. Okay, how the editor will select the reviewers. So sometimes they search with help of keywords, already told you. Okay, are cited references from references or from keywords, they will search related reviewers. Okay, or sometimes directly editorial board member recommend some reviewers. Peer review. See, reviewer one, reviewer two. Your manuscript is really interesting, excellent, very well written. Reviewer two, oh no, it's not very bad. So both reviewer need to give the good comments. Then only editor will accept the manuscript. Okay, both of them should give the good comments. They will tell the editor what is interesting, how the results are significant, what their contribution, what they improve, so whether to publish or not. Like that, they will give the comments to the editor. Detailed comments. Are you reviewer too? So from this is our reaction. Are you reviewer too? Yes. A good reviewer answer the following questions. Does the introduction is explained in very well manner? Is the analysis appropriate? Methods are very described clearly. Discussion is very clear. Conclusions are clear. So they will check and they will send the comments. Decision on the manuscript, like minor revision, rejection, rejection with another journal, submit to another journal, or rejection with the to resubmit again, some modifications. These are the different points. Then, this is our situation. Once you receive the mail, walking, running, while opening them, before opening, when you see mail regarding decision about your manuscript, this is our situation. So, so, so this type of emails you will receive. Please verify your country. This is the first mail. First mail you will receive from the editors. You are as a contributing author. You receive your manuscript. This is a second. The paper is irrevocably rejected for further considerations. Underestimation of the, you can't underestimate your paper quality, but they will send in a polite way. So we are having at present we are having so many journals to verify. So you can't take your journal like that. They will send the comments. Sometimes major revisions cannot be accepted. It is accepted. So like that, they will send the comments. Reviewer comments, scholar reactions. Okay. So what to do with rejected papers? Suppose your paper is rejected. What you do? You have to submit another journal. Before that, you have to check once again, is there any corrections you have to add? And you have to go for the next slightly less prestigious journal. Earlier, you are sent to the seventh impact factor. Now you have to shift it to sixth. Sixth on the rejected again, you have to go for fifth. Like that, you have to come down. Rewriting. So you have to write, see how I see my paper, how reviewers see it. Okay. Rewrite. You have to rewrite. Remember, even comments that seems aggressive or ignorant can be helpful. Always view this as a chance to improve the paper. Reviewer will give number of comments. You have to think this is only for our improvement. So, like that, you have to write properly. Good response to reviewers' reports. So, you have to send, you have to answer each comment. You have to answer each suggestion. Use a numbering system. Do not overlook or ignore any points. Confident and polite. You have to answer in very polite manner and confident manner. Okay. This is the how it looks like how to respond to reviewer comments. See here, revision of manuscript, response to reviewer comments. Are you following? Anyone respond, please? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Right. Thank you. So here, reviewer two. So minimum two reviewers, maximum three or four reviewers also there. So let us take. They are taken one comment. So the abstract section should not end like this. It should end with sections such as a proposition or recommendation, or they're asking the practical applications. So this is the response. For each comment, you have to give the response like this. So as per the suggestion, the others have enhanced the abstract by incorporating the propositions and recommendations from current research work into the revised manuscript. And also you have to show page number 1, line number 19 to 21. You see, this is the see yeah, this is the end of my abstract. Yeah, in the red color I was added. In the red color I was added my response as per the reviewer comment. So in this is the page number 1. So I have to write page number 1. This is 1. Okay, and lesson 1921. Line numbers 19 to 21. So 1921. This is one method. I will show one more method. Okay, so like that, and let us take some comment to this is general comment to every researcher. There are some grammatical and spelling mistakes. So as per the suggestion, the others have corrected the entire manuscript with the help of native English speaker. Others have believed that the revised manuscript is free from the grammatical and spelling error. Like that, we have to write. It is general comment. Every paper will. So like that, you have to answer all the comments. This is one method. This is one more. Some are following like this, some are following like this. So editor one color, reviewer one color, reviewer two one color, reviewer three one color. Here we are taking only single color, red color, but here different colors. What is the flow rate of HHO? This is a technical question. So yeah, answered. So this is a yes. Here also page number 11, line number 182, 186. 182 to 186. So page number 11. This is the page number 11. This is the page number 11. So like that. So this is the 0.757 is the flow rate of HHO. So like that you have to answer the questions. So this is a reviewer one. So this is reviewer one. You are taking the yellow color. This is the yellow color. For reviewer three, you can show with some different color. So like that, you can show. Is it clear? Anyone respond, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Professor. Then, so once you send the revised manuscript, they will accept. Yeah, your paper. I am pleased to inform you that your paper has been accepted for the publication in the International Journal of Hydrogen Energy. So like that, we can. After acceptance, others send proofs of their manuscript, but only changes to the title, other list, spelling, grammar. Even though after acceptance also you can modify very minor mistakes. Don't change, okay, just only minor like title, other list, spelling, any small mistakes you can check. Okay. When receiving a major revision after the fourth revision, this is a situation. Sometimes some journals, okay, send like this. Okay. Okay, this is the moment after your acceptance. This is the final moment. Yeah, finally your manuscript was accepted. This is the situation. Okay, final step. When you finally got your PhD, but you forget how to celebrate. Okay. Yes. And one more important point is here. Write a professional and engaging LinkedIn post introducing a new research publication, focusing on its significance and why others should read it. This is journal name, DOA, 8.1 impact factor, elsewhere Q1. So suppose you are publishing one good quality paper. So you have to showcase your strength, your so you have to spread your knowledge. Okay. So like that, like LinkedIn, WhatsApp. Okay. Then you will get the more citations. There are so many platforms are there. I will show you. So LinkedIn is a very very nice platform. Okay, as I sent earlier in the yesterday also, I sent my LinkedIn profile. If possible, please follow. So in future, you can collaborate. Okay, so like that you can discuss any like that. So from one to one, you can reach the information. Okay, so like that, everyone should have maintained the LinkedIn profile is very very helpful. So much useful content. Every useful content is like research content, machine learning content, Python content. So much very very useful content is available on the LinkedIn. Just to search, you will get the most of the content. Very very helpful. So I request everyone is maintain the LinkedIn profile. Okay, and use regularly. It is very very helpful. Okay, so these are the AI tools for the research. Hmm. Liner A, very very good AI tool. See, let us see Liner AI tool. In this, not only text, this AI tool also gives the images also. You can take any, you can let us search machine learning, continue with Google. I think, okay, yeah, you can search any topic, machine learning, machine learning in IC engines. Let us take in IC engines. Can take any topic. Just I'm giving some machine learning in IC engines. Generally, some of the AI tools will give only text, but this is also given. So, number 11, number 21, 29, some references, optimizing. Still, it is loading, and also, yeah, it is so the related images also. Yes, related images also. So, through these images, you can go through the tabs directly, optimizing IC engine efficiency. Okay, so like that is very useful AI tool. Okay, give you some information. Okay, right. And paraphrasing undetectable AI, humanize AI. Yesterday, one of the professor was asking how to reduce AI detection. So humanize AI is very very helpful to reduce the AI detection and the plagiarism also. So after completion of your manuscript, so just take one para and paste in this humanize AI. It will reduce the AI detection. So many AI tools are there. Just you have to practice. Okay. Yeah, elicit is very very useful AI tool, and Genie AI, chart PDF. If you upload the PDF, you will get the responses. And Napkin AI, with the help of Napkin AI, you can get immediate images. Not only for research, you can use it for the academics to make the PPTs, to draw the flowcharts. Very, very helpful AI tool. You want a demonstration for Napkin AI? Anyone? Those who want demonstration? Sure, sure, sure. Yes, yeah, yeah, definitely. So not only for research, this is very helpful for the. I will show you. Definitely, I will show you. Right. Yeah, you can take the screenshot. Yeah, Miro A also similar to Napkin A. Okay, and Julius A, very very helpful for the data analysis. If you given the data set, if you give any data set to the Julius A, it will give the graphs, images, and also it will give the Python code. Python code. If you take the same code in Google Colab, you will get the same similar graphs. It will be official. If you use the Julius AI, you are talking about Ganesh sir, Ganesh Banana. Which link, sir? Which link? Are you asking Julius A? Why, sir? Oh, so which link do you want, sir? You can talk, sir. All, sure, sir. Sure, definitely, sir. Definitely. Yeah, yeah. These all are different links, sir. Okay. If you click here, you can go to the Julius A. In this Julius A, if you upload any data set, you will get the all similar graphs. Sure, sir. Sure, I will share. I will share the. I will share. Okay, very very helpful. Yeah, you can take the screenshot, sir, with the AI tools. I will also share. These are all the links. Next, these are the AI tools for the academics. Gamma. I think most of them are know about Gamma. Gamma. Within minute you can get the required PPT. So if you want to go for class, within 1 minute if you want PPT, just if you give the topic, you will get the PPT. Okay, very very helpful Gamma AI tool. And Quizzy.com, Quizzy, for the quizzes, if you want to create any quizzes during the classes, this is very very helpful. Okay, yes, I will show you about the this napkin AI. Okay, I will show you. These are the some things to improve the scientific writing, improve scientific writing. Okay, always try to write the short sentences. Try to write the short sentences, simple terminology, limited acronyms, active voice, synonyms, and visual aids with the help of graphs and short paragraphs to improve the better writing. Then, how to avoid the plagiarism? So you can substitute the synonyms, change sentence structure, alteration, and this swap parts of speech active to passive, passive to active, speech direct, indirect, indirect, and focus on different aspects and use quotations and paraphrase by summarizing and merge and replace. Merge the sentence and replace. So these are some tips to for the to remove the plagiarism. Next, reduce the word count from 6,000 to 4,000 words. Some journals are asking you have to reduce the word count by 10,000 to 8,000. Class one, So like that, you have to reduce the word count with the help of these points. You also always use shorter words, simple shorter words, concise sentences, single focus, parenthesis use, and skip introduction, starting directly with the main point. As I told earlier, as I said above, no need to write it like that. So you have to start directly with the main point. And avoid back references. Here also beginning paragraphs without previous text references, as I shown in figure 1. So, for example, see, parenthesis use means 25 degrees. See, the temperature of solution X was recorded as 25 degrees and solution Y was 30 degrees centigrade. Here, you can match X in bracket Y, 20 in bracket that, like that, you can reduce the word count. Already told you, this size space A12 is so many features. Chart with PDF, literature review, and find the concepts, to identify the gaps, limitations, to cite the citation generation, to extract the data, A detection. So many features are there in this high space. Okay, this is the AA tool. And right here, essential academic phrases for the research papers. Here, first in the introduction, generally, this study addresses the purpose of this research is to, the topic is significant because recent developments in the field have shown that. So like that, you can start with these type of words, introducing the problem or question. However, the remaining gap, this paper aims to investigate on particular topic. So like that, you can use this type of words and outline the structure of the paper. This paper is organized as follows. Next, in literature, according to the Smith 2020, research by Johns indicates that limitation current study. So like that, to address this gap, where this research is focused on specific proposal. So like that, you can use these starting words, right? And in methodology, the study employs a mixed method approach. Data was collected through some sampling techniques. So like that, justifying methodology, detailed procedures, okay, and result section as shown in table 1. Figure 1 show that, figure 1 illustrated that, figure 1 depicts that, okay, like that. And comparison, these findings are consistent with so like that you can use these words to save the time. Okay, and then discussion, the findings suggest that limitations future research should consider. Summarizing during the conclusion, the study was demonstrated that, so like that you can use these pages. Okay, I will share. And one more point here, in Google search, for example, if you want machine learning PPT, simply machine learning file type PPT. You will get only PPT in the Google. If you want PDF, simply machine learning file type in place of PPT, you can write PDF. If you want document, doc. If you want JPG, JPG. So only you will get the specific files. You will get the specific files. In generally, if you search like machine learning, you will get so many details like PPTs, words, images. If you want specific file, so you have to search like this. Okay. Next. These are the very, very important profiles on the research platforms. See here, Google Scholar, RC Diary, very, very important. Most of the journals are asking, while submitting the journal, you need to enter your RC diary. You have to link with RC diary. Then ResearchGate, academia, as I told you already, LinkedIn. These are very, very helpful. You can get the some free journals directly with help of ResearchGate, academia. research guide, you can collaborate or you can contact some researchers, some professors. So with the help of research guide, you can ask, can you send me your paper? They will send the full manuscript. So very, very helpful research guide. So I request all participants follow. These are the essential accounts for researcher. So register these accounts like Web of Science, Scopus, Other ID. Once you publish at least one Scopus or essay journal, you will get this Scopus ID. So like that, you have to maintain all these profiles to build your research profile. Then, as I told earlier, Miro, napkin, napkin A. Let us see napkin A. Just a minute. So this is about napkin A. Yes, see here. Get napkin free. You have to click on the get napkin free. Yes. So this is my old topic. I asked machine learning, introduction to machine learning. So this is a simple asked machine learning topic. So it was given different paragraphs. So yeah, after giving the topic, you have to click on this button. It will show different related images. So then I have selected this image. Similarly, for definition, if you click here, you will get different images. Again, I was selected this one. So this is the difference comparison. Okay, this is the learning system. I will show you again. These are the different steps in machine learning model, supervised learning, algorithms, unsupervised learning, clustering. So yeah, like that, you will get different images. Okay, applications. Okay, let us see. Yeah, first you have to click on this is library. This is my library. So these all are different keywords. Can anyone tell me one area, one topic? Anyone? Let us, anyone, one topic. Okay, IoT, yes, thank you, sir. IoT. Let us ask IoT. Internet of Things. Yes, Internet of Things. It is given. Yes. So it was given the information, applications, benefits, challenges, security concerns, future trends. Okay, it was given some information, right? Now, key components of IoT. Now, this is the textual information, but in the during the classroom, if it is in a image format, or some flowchart, it is easy for explanation, right? Now, I'm taking this paragraph here. I'm clicking. It is recommended. It is showing some like this is a starting process. Yes. So like that, it is showing different options. So as I shown you earlier, this is one method, IoT system. So in a graphical representation, this is one method. This is one method. This is one method. This is one method. Yeah, this is a key components. So like that, you can choose any one suitable diagram. Okay. For example, suppose if it is good, fine, right? Now I selected this one. In this also, in this also again different colors variations. After click that image, again in this different shades, different font styles. Again you can choose any one style. Let us take this one. Okay, now yeah, there are so many options. Change style, aspect ratio, color. Here also you change the color. Yeah, background color. You can change the background color again. This is your export option is there. Here PNG, SVG, PDF, and PPT. Okay, if you want image, you can download directly. Here also you can on and off the background resolution. You can improve the resolution. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can give our own content, sir. I will show you again. Yes, sir. So yeah, then you can download. If you want PPT, just simply click here PPT. Then you can download the PPT. In PPT, you can edit. In PPT, you can edit the. Yes, it was downloaded. Let us see. Let us check. See. See here also you can again you can change, you can modify. If you download in image format, it is difficult to modify. But here, if it is in PDF format, again you can change or you can add something. Okay, right. And one more, here in new napkin, import from file. As someone asked, can we give our own text? Yes, sir, definitely. Import from file. We can upload the content or blank napkin. Here also you can give some text. So like that, you can see after giving the some information, you can select a specific text, specific para, then you can ask. Like that, in IoT, it was given number of paragraphs. For each paragraph, you can get each image. Similarly, if you want, for example, some IoT unit number one, some contents are there. Or like for example, take machine learning, unit one contents is there, supervised, unsupervised applications. So you can take all the unit one contents, ask, then it will give the entire unit one content images. Then you can modify. There is one more tool, Gamma A. I think most of them are aware of Gamma A. This is also very useful. Within the fractions, it will give the entire PPT on the topic, right? I think most of them are know about the Gamma A. So like that, you have to use this address, right? Yeah. And one more point, British and US. So some words you have to change. For example, analog, behavior. See here, so based on the journal, color. If it is a British journal, you have to write it COLOUR. If it is US journal, you have to write color. So most of the high quality are US journals. So like that, so you have to write like that. Analog, you have to write like this. For example, if you follow like this, they will say so many grammatical mistakes are there. They will write the grammar like that. So again, you have to check and you have to modify. Okay, here also analyze, LC and ZG. Okay, so like the dialogue, fiber, regard. Hmm? So most of the common words is a color, catalog, analog, behavior. Okay, so like that you have to change the words based on the journal, right? And some grammatical, these are the common mistakes, misspellings. Some spellings you have to check, and effect. These are confusing words. Okay, and commas, you have to avoid commas, punctuation. See here, after word, you have to avoid this gap. Okay, you have to avoid this gap. So like that, not only but also so grammatical mistakes, punctuation mistakes, spelling mistakes. So like that, you have to avoid. Next, one more point. After completion of the manuscript, so before submission, you have to check the plagiarism check. So for the plagiarism check, you can use the Turnitin software. You have to use the you can use the Turnitin software, the equality, Turnitin authenticate. Okay, so it will show the similarity index, internet sources, publications, student papers, and journal wise, paper wise. how much you copied from each paper. Remember, from each paper, it should not be more than two. It should not be more than two. For example, paper one, if I have taken overall it is 15, okay, no problem, for example. But if it is more than two, for example, if it is three, they can't accept. Be careful about plagiarism. Even do not reuse your own words already written on paper. Again, don't use the similar words in the next paper. That is called self-plagiarism. Okay, so you have to avoid individual contribution also, right? And you have to follow. Initially, you have to write the methods, then result section, this discussion, then introduction, and finally you have to write the abstract. It's a sequence. Okay, like that you have to follow the writing. Then some general. See, what is DOI means digital object identifier. See, CPC, DOI, digital object identifier. Let us take one paper. This is my general paper. So in this, 10.1016 is the represents the publisher code elsewhere. The J indicates the journal publication type, and I International J Journal of HYD Hydrogen ENE Energy. So we see one more paper. So like that, this is the 2024 publication year and 5 month of acceptance and 131 is the article identifier. So the DY is the some nomenclature, some okay, you have to see one by one. So what is J, what is here? So a combination of all these they will prepare on DY link. Okay. Similarly, ISN numbers, some papers online and print ISN. Okay, ISN means International Standard Serial Number. Okay, it is a eight digit code, 4 plus 4. Yes. Now this is our point. As I told you earlier, before that, so these are some graphical representations. So these are the response surface plots, and this is a contour plot. Generally, with the help of Minitab software, you can generate this type of graphs. But even though you don't know about Minitab, even MATLAB also you don't know MATLAB, you don't know Minitab. But with the help of Python programming, you can generate this type of curves also. For example, see, so generally in the graphical representation, give me 1 minute. Are you following? Anyone respond, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Right. Here, generally, for any graph, you have x-axis and y-axis. Okay, actually, yesterday principal was asking to concentrate on this topic. That's why I've taken this one. Newly added this one, x-axis and y-axis. This is the time and this is the amplitude. Okay, then these are the. This is about the legend. Legend. So this is the blue color and this is some brown color. Okay, this is about legend. This is the sin x and this is the cos x. These are called grid lines. These are the tick labels. Okay, let's see. Yeah, line colors. So in Python also we are having different colors, different codes for different colors. I will show you again. Line style. This is the line style. Marker. This is the marker. Okay. Font family. Serif. Monospace like Times New Roman. Calibri. And font style. Italic. Bold. Grid. Dotted. Dotted grids. Legend. Colored box. Some color works with a border. Some border. Here are tick labels. Some labels are there. Ticks. Tick marks. And plot background. The background is a light gray color. Okay, let us see in detail. Color options. Generally, what type of colors are you using? Here, see, for blue color, you can use in Python, you can represent with B or blue, green, red, magenta, orange. This is different code orange, and cyan, yellow, Y are yellow, black, white, purple, teal, RGB turbo. So like that, you can use different codes. I will show you. I will demonstrate. And line styles here are the lines: solid line, dashed line, dash dot, dotted. Okay. So here for different lines here or here, you can use lines, dashed lines. I will show the Python code and marker styles. You see, these are, you see, this is the circle, this is star, this is a square, triangle, cross mark. Are you following? Anyone respond, please?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. Thank you, sir. Right. So yeah, different options: circle, square, triangle, diamond, star, plus. Okay, so circle means O, square S, triangle up, triangle down, diamond D, star, plus. So these are the different colors. Next, font customization. If you want to change the, is the trigonometric function use one type of font. So to change the font style, font weight, font style, family, color. So this is font style 10, 14, 18. Font weight, light, normal, bold. Style, normal, italic, oblique, serif, like that. Then grid customization. This is a grid. Line style, line width, can alpha, opacity, color, gray, light blue, which color, major, minor, both. Then legend or tick customization. Yeah, legend. Here also font size, upper right, lower left. Legend position, bottom, top, right. Frame, face color, white, edge color, label color, red to navy. Okay, different colors are there. Right. Now, right. Before that, I will show you how to use the ChatGPT. Okay, how to extract a data set from one paper for practice. Okay, for example, are you able to see the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Right. I'm asking the ChatGPT, what can we do with Minitab software? Okay. It is showing, so Minitab, okay, it is showing descriptive, hypothesis, regression analysis, quality control, design of experiments, reliability, time series, multi. So there's so many features. Again, machine learning basics. Can you do all above with help of Python programming? Yes, definitely. So, like MATLAB, R programming, if you take any like origin graphs, you can do anything with Python. So yes, it is absolutely yes. So Python equivalent descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, it is showing. Okay. Then provide complete starter guide or code template for implementing all above tasks in Python. Okay, it is showing descriptive statistics. It is showing different. Just so simply we can copy this code, for example. Okay, how to use. Okay, this is the Google Colab. Google Colab. I'm showing Colab. Google Colab. Very very helpful. While taking the class, also you can demonstrate the Python code. Google Colab. Say just new notebook. You have to click on the new notebook. Just in here, you have to paste that code. Then you have to click on this symbol, play option. It will give some charts. Yes. So it was given some charts. So like that, let us see one test one by one. Check descriptive basics, descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, logistic regression, quality control charts. Okay, let us take this one. See, I think most of them are learned MEFA subject or IEM, Industrial Engineering PET CPM concept, not PET CPM. Before that, we have X and X charts, R chart, P chart. Okay, so you can show to different students also very colorful chart. This sample, I have taken the sample data, random data. But if you take a data set, the students also in the question paper, they will give some data. You can copy and paste here. It will give some, okay, like that, the DOE, reliability time series forecasting, principal component analysis, just, yes, PCA, principal component analysis, cluster analysis. These are the different techniques in the machine learning, cluster analysis. Next, Monte Carlo simulation. Let us see this one. Yes, so it was given some value. Inside circle, outside circle. So like that, it was giving different versions. Graphical tools, matplot, basic machine learning. Now I'm asking, see this one. Okay, and one more. This is given some code. Okay, give me a complete detailed code for RSM. I'm asking. It was given some code. Just you have to click on plus code. Then you have to paste. Yes. So it is showing some error, right? Now you have to again go for ChatGPT. Okay, it is showing some error, right? Now you have to copy the same code here. Copy the same code here. And also copy the error also. Are you following? Anyone respond, please? Just
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So sometimes it is showing. It is a normal process. It is showing error sometimes. Okay. Then what you have to do? Again, you have to go for ChatGPT. Ask as per error update code. I'm asking simple question. So for better results, think for longer. Okay. It is giving some code, updated code. It is giving the updated code. Sometimes within one time it will give it given the good code. Sometimes you have to ask again and again. Okay, one or two, three, four, like that you have to ask. So after that it will give the correct code. Sometimes within it is taking some time. Okay, maybe some issue. Already I was taken the same in this year. See, this is one more. Just for sample. Okay. Yeah, this is the one graph, right? As I shown you earlier, here if you observe this code, I am also don't know about Python programming. Okay, I am just with help of ChatGPT only we are learning here. So yeah, for example, blue means blue color. Okay, green, red. Let's take red example. So I want to change the color. So yeah, see, yeah, this is the color. See, if you observe here, this is the color. Okay, I am in place of this code, I'm writing. I simply modifying red red. Let us see. Okay, here color is different. Now ask for red color. Let us see. Yes, you change it to red color. Okay, here one more color. Color dark green. I want to ask blue color. BLUE blue. Yeah, this one. This one will change it. Okay. So here trigonometric functions. This is the font color. Yeah, family. So font family is a sans serif. Okay, if you want to change the font with the help of this, see here, font style. I want to only, for example, monospace, for example, controls. These are different fonts. Here is the font here. Yes, here. Okay, I not copied here. So like that, you can change. You know the some basics, little basics, how to change the color, how to change the font. So just copy and paste. Okay, some okay issues there. Okay, so like that, if you change the font, it will change it. So like that, in this code, not only in this code, you can update, you can modify, you can edit any type of code with help of this type of. This all used in the data visualization. Okay, here line width, line style, color, line style, line width. You can change the colors. You can change the font style. Here, 10 and 6 is there. I can write 10 and 20. Let's see what will happen. This is like this. Now I want to see 10 and 20. So the image was changed, totally changed. So like that, you can modify the figure. Are you following? Anyone respond, please? Thank you, thank you. So like that, you can modify the code, right? Now, so actually, so as per error, update the code, but it was given directly images. Okay, you have to ask properly. Okay, if you ask the code properly, it will give. Okay. So, even also here also earlier also I got some error. See in this code actually see the same code this one. Here we see here update code as per error. Then it was given this code. Again you have to copy, paste. Yes. So it was given the yes. This is a sample data. But if you upload your data, it will give the required details. So like that, you have to update the code. You have to update just only if you upload the data for your research experimental data, you will get the required graphs. Okay. For example, a sample I'm showing. See here, extract data set from this file in a table format. For sample, I'm taking one paper. This is one paper. See this one. This is one paper. They used the nanoparticles, some biodiesel, some hydrogen, and they using the machine learning and RSM approach. Okay, so here per my paper, nanoparticle is different. Okay, per my paper, biodiesel is different. Biodiesel different, nanoparticle different, machine learning algorithms are different. But I want to use a similar. I want a similar paper for my different fields. Okay, now I want this in this paper they're following like this. Now I want this data set, for example. I want to extract this data set. Okay. Now I want to draw this type of graphs. Okay, I want to write this type of graphs, and I want to update this type of graphs. Okay. Then you can ask first point, extract data set from this file in table format. First, we have to practice whether it is giving correct results or not, like that. So it is giving some data set. You have to ask one or two times. Okay, finally it was given data set. Please give me complete data set here only in table format. It was given in table format. Again, I'm asking. It's not giving in table format. It is given in CSV format. Now I want in table format. Again, it was given. So like that. Now for given data set, now I want the code. Study above paper carefully and to get similar results and graphs, give me a complete Python code to run in the Colab. I don't know Python code. How to run Python code, I don't know. How to write, I don't know. But ChatGPT is giving the code, I can demonstrate. So like that, it will give some code. It will give you some code to the that data set. Now with the help of that code, you can run for our data set. After giving this data set, again you can ask, this is my new data set. So as per my new data set, update this code accordingly. Then it was updated the code as per our data set. Clear? So like that, you can run the code, you can get the results. So if you see this here, this is ML plus RSM. These are the different graphs. Okay. This is the graph. Here also, if you want to change the color, here also different color versions are there. So this is like that we got the code. Yeah, here also different colors for correlation map, heat matrix. Here also we change the color here, plasma. This is one type of color. Color code. So if we change the color, here we change the magma. That's one type of color. So like that, so you have to try different colors for better visualization. Like that, here also you got data graphs. I am showing. See here, these are the different graphs. Here we changed the color. Here the color is different. Here the color is different. But if you follow the same color, not a good practice. So you have to change different colors for better visualization. So like that, you have to extract the data. You can ask the code to get similar results in that paper. Now we are changing the fuel, we are changing the nanoparticle, we are changing machine learning approaches. Now we are giving our own experimental data and we are asking, I want similar code. So as per my data set, update the code. So like that, you can ask the ChatGPT. You will get the code. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. This is my LinkedIn profile. I request all the participants, professors, if possible, please follow, sorry, and please give your valuable feedback. Okay, this is some matter. Yeah, this is my LinkedIn profile. Please click and please provide your valuable feedback. Okay, so like that, you can generate, yeah, these are the These are different graphs. And as I shown earlier, yes. So this is one set of graphs. One set of graphs. Here legend is in this place. This is one more graph. Yes. See, here if you observe, here legend is in the in between these three graphs. Here legend is in this side. But you observe other graphs, here the legend is in the top of the first graph. So like that, we have to ask number of times. So I want legend in top of the first graph. So update the code. Even this image also you got it from one paper, for example. So you can ask, you can choose one paper. You can choose one paper, any one paper. Then you can ask, suppose for example, this is one paper. This is one paper. You can take one paper. Okay. You can ask like, you can have this trend of BT. You can upload in ChatGPT. Okay. You can upload in ChatGPT. Hmm. To get, you can ask this figure was drawn in Origin Pro software. Now I want to draw. Now I want to draw same image in collab with Python. So give me required code. So you may not get in a single attempt. So like that, you have to ask. I'm not sure. I didn't get directly, but I will get maybe. So like that, you have to ask again. You can ask. It will give you only some plain picture. Now update the legend. Update the color. Now for this paper, update the color. I want dark borders. I want this type of colors. Update the picture. You have to change the colors, right? So you don't you never use similar image. You have to modify some structure, some formatting. Okay, I want to letters in bold color. Like that, you have to ask a number of times. So finally, you will get the required image. So for that, again, you have to give your code. For that, you have to give your data set. This is some sample. It is giving some code. I don't know whether it's working or not. Let us check. Are you following? Anyone respond, please? Yes, it was given in different format. So, so now again you have to ask. I want side border. I want here are some colors are there. I want red color. I want yellow color. To change pattern. So like that you have to ask one or two, three times. So finally after one or three regions, it will give the required code. Okay, so like that. See, yeah, the different the image here. So it is giving only this portion. See, this was not given this portion, right? So here again you have to ask, I want side image also. Okay. So like that you have to ask number of times. Number of times, if you ask number of times, you will get the required code. So like that you have to ask, is it clear? Okay. So finally, thank you so much for your valuable time and valuable patience. Any doubts? And request all the participants, please provide your valuable feedback. Or if possible, you can follow my face. If you are like the session, please give a like. Okay. I request all the participants, please fill your valuable feedback and also write your comments in the chat box. I request all the participants write your feedback in the chat box. This is my contact details in your any if you require. Not only this, I like COPO attainment, COPO OB outcome based education, like criteria 3, NAC, MBA works. Okay, how to prepare assignments, yeah, like how to use Python programming, how to write research papers. Okay, is there any sessions you can contact me or for any collaboration works in future? Any other comments? Any questions? Can anyone give the valuable feedback orally, if possible?
From participant, please give your valuable feedback.
For my improvement, actually, I am not an expert. I am learning and sharing. Okay, I am pursuing PhD. I am learning from so many professors. I am attending so many activities. Just I am learning and sharing. So if you share the knowledge, definitely you will get some knowledge from others. That is my point.
Yes, Reshma ma'am is there.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes, please continue.
now I warmly invite any of our participants to unmute and share their valuable feedback or experience about this 5 days FDP session. Your thoughts and suggestions means a lot to us.
Uh, Myself, Gitanjali Bhosle. It's a very valuable session, sir. And thank you very much for a knowledgeable session. You have told us very detailed, in-depth knowledge for this uh, research paper. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other participants? It's now my pleasure to invite our respected HOD of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Somnath sir, to kindly share a few words about the FTP and feedback about this.
Yes, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Audible,
sir.
audible, sir.
Yes,
Respected
sir.
dignitaries, yeah, respected dignitaries, esteemed speaker, dear faculty participants and well-wishers. I am Professor Somnath Chikne, head of the Department Electronics and Telecommunication Department. chairperson of IST faculty chapter MH 185 of Vidyapratishthan Polytechnic Indapur, and coordinator of this faculty development program. A very warm and pleasant afternoon to all and all present here. Today we have reached the valedictory moment of the 5-day IST approved faculty development program on how to publish a research paper in Scopus Journal, organized under the IST faculty chapter MH 185 by the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at the Vidyapratishthan Polytechnic College Indapuri association with Pencilwit. It's full, it fills my heart with immense pride and joy to say that the past 5 days have been nothing short of enriching, enlightening, and empowering. We begin with this journey on the 7th July, and throughout this session, Mrs. Pranali Chauhan from the VIT Pune simplified the initial stage of paper writing, and Dr. B. Dhanashekaran inspired us with the strategies for impactful research and common pitfalls in the publication. And finally, Mr. Rao sir from the Vignan Institute Vishakhapatnam give us a deep insight into plagiarism checking tools, author metrics, and the different AI tools, the mindset of the successful researcher. Each speaker added significant value, and I am confident that all of us are walking away today more equipped, more confident, and more motivated to publish quality research in reputed journals. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our expert resource persons for sharing their knowledge and experiences with such clarity, energy, and excellence. Your contribution have truly made this FDP a success. Eh, I extend special thanks to our collaborative partner Pencil Bits, especially Revati ma'am, Reshma ma'am, and Karthikeyan sir for their seamless support in technical coordination and participant engagement. I would like to thank acknowledgement the management of Vidya Pratishthans and our principals sir, who constant encourage and backing have made this initiative possible. I extend my sincere gratitude to the IST and New Delhi for their approval and support of this FDP. A big thank you to all faculty participants from various institutions. Your enthusiasm, active participation, interaction made this FDP truly collaborative and engaging. This is not just a conclusion, but the beginning of a new chapter. Let us not stop here. Let us go ahead and apply what we have learned. Let us write, revise, publish, and more importantly, contribute meaningfully to word of knowledge and innovation. Let this FDP ignite the research spirit in all of us. Once again, thank you for making this FDP a memorable success. Wishing everyone a bright academic and research future ahead. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I respectfully invite our beloved principal, Dr. S.R. Despansa, to deliver his reflection and share a feedback on the successful FTP. Somnath, sir?
Yeah, just wait, sir is going to start.
Okay, okay, sir.
Hello, Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
This is this is the opportunity that we have got to listen to Sanyasi Rao sir and other resource persons. So thank you, Sanyasi Rao sir, for giving us a good demonstration of what were the things that we were been imagining how to do it and how they do it. So now we come to know that how they do it, and we will be able to do it by ourselves. So thank you, uh, the organizers, all the participants who have been continuously been in touch with this particular FDP. So I wish all the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, sir. As we come to the successful conclusion of the IST approved FIDE faculty development, I feel deeply honored to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. First and foremost, I express a sincere gratitude to our distinguished resource person, Mr. Surada Sanyasi Rao sir, for gracing us with his presence and delivering an insightful and highly practical session today. Sir, your expertise, clarity of thought, and valuable suggestion have truly enriched our understanding of academic publishing. We are immensely thankful for your time and contribution. I extend a heartfelt thanks to our respected principal, sir, for his constant support, vision, encouragement, which helped us organize and execute this FTP effectively. A special note of appreciation goes to our academic coordinator, HOD of Electronics and Telecommunication, and even coordinator, whose tireless effort and leadership have been the backbone of this program success. I would like to also thank all the resource persons who shared their expertise over the past 5 years, making this FTP truly enriching learning experience. My heartfelt thanks to all the participants for the active involvement and enthusiasm, the positive feedback. Your, your, your engagement keep the session lively and productively thought of the program. Last but not least, a big thank to entire organizing team, technical support, and volunteers worked behind the scenes to ensure smooth conduct of this FTP. Let us take forward the learning from this event and continue striving from excellence in our academic and research pursuit. Thank you all and wish you this portion and chat window. All the participants are asked to fill the feedback form and then can leave the section. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Thank you, all the participants. Thank you, the Pencil Beach team and principal sir and HOD sirs of the Vidya Pratishthan College. Thank you so much for a wonderful opportunity. And thanks to all the participants for very valuable patience from last 3 days. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, kindly share the PPT in WhatsApp, sir.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, I will share. I request all the participants, please provide your valuable feedback in LinkedIn. Thank you so much. Okay, sir. I am leaving the
Thank,
session. Thank you so much.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.